Hello Airsofters, CallsignColt here, and today I've got some gameplay from my local field called DOA, and today it's going to be some pretty much Airsoft Kill Confirmed, if you guys play Kill Confirmed from COD or any other game. That's pretty much what it is. Everyone starts off with a mag that has pink duct tape on it that's wrapped around it, and everyone has their own, and if you die, you drop your mag, and then obviously if you kill somebody, they drop their mag, and you can go pick it up. And you can pretty much carry as many mags as you can on your person, and you have to hold them until the end of the game. So you'll see me, I get a couple mags, I end up dying, drop some mags. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
Come on. Where's Alex? Where's Alex? Where's Alex?
Back there.
Hurrying up here for no reason?
That hurt.
Where's Jake? Jake! Come on. Come on.
Tail's jumping over that pipe.
Sure, go high, I'll go low.
Why am I going high?
Alright. Is this on? Yeah, let's go. Alex?
You know, Jacob's for real, there's no medic.
Huh? Yeah, I think so. Huh? Watch my back, Alex, watch my back.
The guy's mouth off, yeah, he moved up.
Where to?
Like right behind the bush thing. Oh, he moved back.
Okay.
He got a mag.
You got Jake's mag, didn't he?
What are you doing?
What am I doing? What do you want me to do? What?
No, Jacob.
I did. He's a dumbass. I think he's still behind the tree. No! Did you hit him?
What the hell?
Did you hit him? Did you hit him?
Once.
I think you hit him. I heard him say ow. Somebody picked it up. I'm gonna go try to get this guy's mag, okay? Alright. Good battle.
Did you have your hand up there? Yeah, you got me right there.
Oh.
I was just trying to suppress you and then you can put your hand up. Yeah, it's like, I just put it up on the top because I was holding myself up.
Alright, Alex, I'm gonna move. Can you cover? Yeah, move up, move up. Ready? I'm going for the mag.
That man?
Yeah. Let's go for it. I know there's a couple guys right here. Careful, careful. Hey, there's a mag right there, Jake. There's a mag right there. Jake, get that mag. Or not. I'm pinned! Alex has got me pinned.
Jacob, is there anybody in there?
He's hiding behind the far piece of cover. You see what I'm shooting at? Go, Alex, go. I'm coming, Jake, hold up. Friendly on your 6, Jake. I'm here, Jake. You got a guy 2-story. 2-story. Huh? Yeah, I know. There's a guy 2-story. He's right in front of me. He's right in front of me.
Watch this.
He's right here. Get him. Yeah.
Trying to watch it.
Where?
What is that other building called?
Oh, there, 2-story?
No, like Darga.
We got a guy 2-story and double cross building. They're gonna respawn and come back this way. Get ready, boys.
So pretty much right now we just got him in a pretty good spawn trap.
They're in the small one. Down here. Our guy's up.
Oh, hi. Hey, greenhouse! Greenhouse!
Dude, I got that same guy.
That's us. No, the guy ran around back behind him. Holy hell. What was that gun?
What the fuck?
Should I go?
They're in the tall one.
The big belly?
That one.
Okay. Hit!
Government very.
Hit! Right side secure, left side's holding.
We got him in. He's coming deep. Let's try to clear out the whole right side, though.
Let's go. Guy behind that, right there, you see him?
No.
He's behind that cover. Alex, right in front of you. Tango down. What? I don't think so. Just that one you were shooting at. Thank you, got me.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Part 2 will be out soon. Subscribe for more gameplay, and I'll see you guys on the next
I don't
video.
have any mags. I'll be back, Alex.